Hey everybody, out here camping again in Cherokee Lake. All by myself, stayed here last night. Cooked some beans in that pot on the fire over there. They came out pretty darn good. Getting ready to make some pancakes here. Skillet's a little too hot, it's been popping. First time I've ever made pancakes myself. If I made them, I don't remember when. Want to see how this is going to turn out. We'll see how it goes. Grease on the table. That stuff was popping out. Got some generic syrup here. I ain't too picky. Got some butter. Probably fry some eggs and spam to go with it. Made my coffee this morning. Lost the cover off the top of it. Pine needles and bugs was getting in it, so I had to cover it up with aluminum foil. Let's see how these pancakes are going to come out. Try to do some fishing. Maybe throw out the minnow trap, I don't know. Fire went out. It's probably 8 or 9 o'clock, I don't know what time it is, but I used that wire coat hanger to hang that blue pot over the fire there. Just to walk around the campsite here. So that's cooking. So that cooler had drinks with ice. And my cooler for food, we all know ice melts and gets the food wet and soggy. So this cooler, I froze 1 gallon jug, 2 2-liter bottles frozen, 4 blue ice packs, 3 or 4 16-ounce bottles all froze. So all chunks of ice. Looks like that. So, hoping that works out. That blue cooler has 1 bag of ice. Just 1 bag of ice. I haven't opened. See how long it keeps. See how this pancake's coming out here. I try to flip it too soon, it'll fall apart. So I'm gonna let that cook for a minute. Make me some more coffee here. I got my Coleman stove I keep saying 20 years, but I found the date on the bottom. August 02. So I've had it 19 years. Still works good. Cast iron pot, cast iron skillet. Oh yeah. Not bad, not bad. I'll take that. Can't complain. There you have it. Cast iron cooking. Cherokee Lake. Private property out here. My second time being here. Last time was 4th of July weekend. This is July 22nd. Some other people were out here, 5 or 6 bunches here. July 4th weekend. Nobody here. Today's Friday. Might be some people show up this evening for the weekend. I got me an air mattress in my tent. 5-gallon bucket with a commode seat they sell at Walmart. Put 4 plastic bags in that bucket, so I just tie up the bag when I use it. Throw it away properly. Works out pretty good. Not quite brown enough. Bumper up just a little. Get me a knife out here. Got some butter. There's a boat on the water. Got my body camera on my t-shirt here. Might flop around a little bit while I'm cooking. I think cast iron skillets are a lot better than just regular aluminum skillets. I don't know if that's raw in the middle or what, but some of it's brown, some of it ain't. We'll see. Probably should have got my eggs out before I started my video. They're in that cooler buried in the bottom. Cooked those beans in that pot last night on that fire. I put some chicken broth in it and a little bit of canola oil and of course water. Man, they were good. I got a bowl I saved them in, put them in the cooler over there. So I got beans left over I can heat up in that silver pot back there. Might make some hash browns. I got whole potatoes with me. Might just make me some hash browns. So I got flour tortillas, refried beans, enchilada sauce, fried tortillas to make a bean cheese burrito, and got cheese, and got this I'm gonna cook with some chicken wings, not chicken wings, breast strips. Instead of using chicken wings, I'm gonna use breast strips and make that barbecue chicken probably for lunch today. Probably have the bean burritos for supper. Okay, doofed up. A little too brown for my taste. Anyway, let's try another one here. That's a little bigger. It's gonna take some doing. Okay. Got a feeling that ain't gonna turn out so good. Cause it's so big, it'll fall apart when I go to flip it. So I'll maybe cut the camera off and restart it when that was done, and put some syrup on them and we'll do a food review. There you have it, pancakes, bean burritos, barbecue chicken breast, soup beans, plenty of food out here. All by myself, camping out here. I'll be back. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll be back.